Hi everyone, I'm Elsham Musayev. We will talk today about the startups and financing. Every startup needs funding, but finding the right investor at the right time can determine whether your project succeeds or fails. In this video, I will explain where to find business angels in Europe, when you should approach venture capital funds, and how financial institutions in the EU can either support or slow down innovation. If you are a founder or planning to launch a startup in Europe, especially in Vienna, my lovely city, this video is for you. Business angel is not only an investor, it's a mentor, a connector, and often your first believer. They invest in early stage startups, usually between 10 and 250,000, and bring valuable experience from the industry. You should approach business angels at the idea or MVP stage when you are already have a concept, maybe a prototype, but not yet traction or revenue. In Europe, you can find them through the European Business Angels Network, the Austrian Angel Investor Association in Vienna, Angels List Europe, Startup Live Vienna, and the Vienna Business Agency. When pitching to a business angel, don't just talk about money. Talk about the vision, problem solving, and your personal motivation. Angel invests in people, not just projects. Venture capital firms come when in your startup already show traction, real customer, sales, or rapid growth potential. They invest in scaling, not in testing. Before approaching venture capitals, make sure you have a proven business model, product market fit, a strong team, and measurable KPIs. If you go too early, you risk giving away a large equity share and possible losing control of your company. Among top venture capital firms active in Austria and Europe are Speed Invest, Creandum, Atomico, Point Nine, and Index Ventures. Venture capital doesn't create success, it scales what already works. Use venture capital's money only when you know what needs to grow faster. Traditional banks are usually not startup friendly. They focus on risk management, not innovation. However, public funding and EU programs can play a huge role. For example, Austria Wirtschaftsservice provides grants and low interest loan for startups. Horizon Europe offers innovation funding across the EU. The European Innovation Council supports deep tech startups with blended finance. These institutions don't just offer money, they offer credibility and connections. But be ready for paperwork and clear business plans. Bureaucracy is still part of the game in Europe. To summarize, start with business angels. They believe in you when no one else does. Grow with venture capital to scale what already works, and use EU programs and financial instruments to stabilize and expand. The European startup ecosystem, especially in Vienna, is full of opportunities, but only those who understand timing and preparation. If you are building a startup and want to find the right investors or structure your funding strategy, I can help you. Visit my website and book a personal consultation. Let's build something extraordinary together with you.